Hello everyone, I'm Gary, the co-founder and CEO of AITable.ai. Welcome to our presentation and demo. Today's topic is revolutionize your CRM and project management. CRM and project management are the two most competitive and popular use cases of AITable.ai. Before diving, consider three common client challenges. First, do you feel scaling customer reach is tough, causing lots of opportunities? Secondly, do you find selecting a straightforward CRM system a struggle? Lastly, do you want AI to streamline workflow, lead generation, customer data management, easing your business focus? If you relate to these issues, AITable.ai is your solution. We offer Spreadsheet-Database and AI-driven efficiency for smoother workflow, CRM, and project management. With over 1,000 enterprise customers, 1 million users, #1 product of the day on Product Hunt, 11,000 GitHub stars for our open source version API table, and a top 3 ranking in Q1 2023 by the ROS Index, we are a leader in our field. Now, let's jump into a product demo to see how AITable revolutionizes CRM and project management. Let's explore the unique features of AITable.ai. It is actually a spreadsheet database, but looks like a spreadsheet, like what you see here. And it also can be played as just like Excel. As long as you know how to use Excel, you should know how to use AITable. You can just type, select the option, select the project phase here, like planning, select the time. It's quite intuitive. But what is different with the data, this Excel is, it is also indeed a database. You can just upload files. You can just drag it, like this bunch of the files, you can put it on it. Right, it's quite simple. And also, because it is a database, you can shift the data, like what you want to read, help you to more easy to understand the data, like the group with the project manager, and you can easily see the people, the member who have the, like how many projects they have. And also you can group in another way, like the category, and also like the project phase. Okay, you can easily see the different phase of the project, like a 3 in planning and 5 in execution. And you can also shift the data, project data into Kanban view, and then you can easily to drag it to shift it to different views, to different project phase, and you can generate one-click generate the Gantt view and easily to check the progress of the project. And then you can also expand the record to see the detail of the project, and then click on the image to see what happened in more details. You can also one click to generate the gallery to see the project assets, and then easy to arrange the mode. It's quite smooth here. And also you can click, you connect to the API, make all the data here connect with your other systems in your business. It's quite easy and simple. And also you can use the widget to generate like different kinds of widget center here. You can use the chart, pivot table. Okay, for example, the chart here to make you more easy to understand the data and what happened. And for example, like the project manager, you can easily see who got how many projects, and also in what kind of project phase. And then we provide you different theme color, make you can just change them. You can just choose them here. Okay, it's quite cool. The user interface is quite comfortable. The data, you can also create a dashboard, and then use the dashboard to master all the project, how is it going, and how the customer status, how the members doing, are they doing things well. Let's get back to the project. And just because of the spreadsheet database, it can easily be used to as a CRM. Okay, you can easily delete, and you can easily just like you use in Excel, you can easily copy and paste here. Okay, and just the Command Z or Control Z to go back. And like here, it's a CRM, right? The customer data are here, the full name, work email, company name, and so on. And now I want to use this data sheet to generate a form and let the customer to just fill in the form, like for example for your website, and then data will easily come here. What can we do here? We can just add a view. sorry, we can just click here and create a form for this view, and just one click, and then you can see the form. You can easily modify it. Okay, here you can collapse the options. Now here is a form, and then we can make this form to connect with the automation. That's what I have already done here. I use this form to connect to the automation here, like you can see here. I set two automation. It's very easy to set it. One is when the someone they submit it, and then you will get a list notification to Slack, just like the trigger is the form is submitted, and then send a message to Slack. It's when select the form inquiry form and then send to the message to Slack. And it's very easy to set here. Okay, use the markdown. Just type. I use the field of the datasheet. Another one is the greeting email. I have already set here. And also the trigger is the form submitted and then send email. As you can see here, I have already added the email here. When someone they fill the form, one notification to our team, another notification, auto greeting email will send to the customer. Let's check it, like this one. We will see what happened. For example, I share this link outside. As you can see, when people use this link to collect the information, now I'm a customer. I get this link and I fill the form. AITable.ai, AITable.ltd, company size. Okay, I want an AI CRM. Just submit, and then you can see here's come a list just for me, just from the customer here, and then we'll easily, because I filled this work email, and so I have already get the email here. As you can hear, right? Hi, Gary, I'm your AITable consultant. Okay, all these are automatically. Now this is just for testing, and also for the Slack, as you can see here, it should be like the here. You can see this is also the automation push to here. If I click the URL here, it will shift back. It will shift back to this record, expanded record. Close it. That's it. That's what I just filled here. And then let's back to based on the one-click creation form and the automation, we can build up a very strong, very powerful CRM. And one more thing, we combine with AI. For example, here I have already put all the FAQ the customer usually ask here. Okay, now I will use this FAQ as a corpus to fit to the AI. What I can do is just here to new AI, and then it will ask me to select about time. I just select Q&A, and then I select datasheet as a data set. So I select the AITable chatbot Q&A, and then I fit all the data FAQ data to the chatbot. And now it is training. Okay, down just a few seconds. Now the chatbot can be used now, and it will pop up for some suggested question, and then you can also just type what you want to type. What is AITable, and it will show you the answer based on the data set you fit to it. And also it will also give you some, you can see here, suggested question. And as we can see here, you can come to the setting to make the chatbot more suitable for you. And also you can, using the form collection information, it will connect to the form. You can just select the inquiry form. This is what we built just now. Okay, here, as you can see, inquiry form, and then you click here. It will help to collect your data. Okay, I have already built one, and as you can see from another one, after you train this, you can publish it, and then when you publish it, embed, you can just copy this script tag to your UI HTML. If you use the WordPress, it's very easy to code snippet. You can just copy and paste here and just save changes. After that, it will come to your website. Boom, it's here. You click the widget here. Okay, here is the widget. Here is the chatbot for your website. And now you can also try to talk to it. What is AITable? It will also give you the answer. Here is your 24/7 AI customer service. And also you can click the contact us. It will help you to collect the information, the list. Let's try. Gary. And then we will ask you the question for email and your phone number. For example, we are just testing _5678. Okay, what can help? I want an AI CRM, and then ask me to provide a website. That's it. And after that, it will also have already set automation, and then this list will also come to the Slack to give a notification to the team. It's quite great. And also for the phone, we can have many better way to use it. For like this, you can just put the form on your website. This is what we did. As you can see here, the contact cells. When you click the contact cells, as you can see here, and the customer just fill in all the information here, and then the team will automatically get the notification. And you can also set automatic greeting email to them. Okay. Post the demo. Let's review AITable's features. Our spreadsheet database allows easy creation of intuitive, flexible systems for various business needs. Whether it's customer management or project management, it's incredibly simple and flexible. Say goodbye to the hustle of traditional, hard-to-learn software. AITable.ai's intelligent views and dashboards boost the data efficiency. Create campaign, Gantt, gallery views with a click. Customize your own dashboard to see the latest data analytics in real time, rather than waiting days for a report. Our form feature enables one-click creation for data and leads collection. The collected data instantly goes into our database, making collaboration easy. Embedded on your website, combined with AI, automation, and dashboards for around-the-clock operation. The automation feature can streamline your workflow processes for repetitive tasks. Additionally, AITable.ai integrates with Zapier, Make.com, and Active Pieces, allowing you to effortlessly connect with over 6,000 apps for no-code workflow automation. And the AI agent feature allows you to build your 24/7 AI customer service, AI data analyst, and copilot with just one click based on your data. This might be the easiest to use AI chatbot builder you have ever encountered. No need to upload PDFs repeatedly. Just add this data in AITable for ongoing training and optimization of your own AI. Flexible member management and permission configuration in AITable supports efficient team collaboration, ideal for business with extensive internal and external collaboration. Last but not least, it's worth mentioning AITable's API, offering over 100 standard open APIs for seamless integration with third-party systems. This enables seamless data flow and connecting everything. Well, that's all for our presentation on AITable.ai today. We've given you a quick overview of AITable.ai and demonstrated its core functionalities for CRM and project management. Highlights include our spreadsheet database, form, automation, and AI agent. So thanks very much for all your attention. Now let's move on to the Q&A section. Feel free to ask in the chat, speak up, or contact me via WhatsApp using the QR code on the screen.